What is up, my people? This is JV right here on this beautiful Monday, 1:02 p.m. over here in Dallas, Texas. Well, I know I said I was gonna start on Sundays, and I missed this Sunday. My bad, starting off bad, but it's all good. It was my daughter's birthday. Had to take a little break. Excuse me, but I'm back, and on this Monday, still. Damn, I'm lost in the mud. It's Tuesday, but I'm saying Monday because it starts at 4 p.m. and closes at 4 p.m. As far as the daily candle goes. So in the Forex world, this daily candle, is still Monday's candle, and Tuesday's candle will start today at 4 p.m. So just wanted to clarify that one. All right, let's get it started, man. Usdcad. What are we looking at? Okay, first off, disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not certified or, in any way. So trade under your own discretion. And don't blame me for shit. Make your own analysis, and yeah, so I'm here to help you out any way I can. Other than that, it's all on you, baby. Let's go. Let's get all right. So Usdcad, we're looking at daily time frame here, and last time we were on here, we had said we were over here. And we had said that this could go for a retracement, and we were looking at it hitting this this 38.2, and it is right there. So we had been following this and waiting to see what it was gonna do. It this was actually the little buy we had said, and potential drop here, and see if it broke that down to this next zone. It did not get there to that price. It actually broke out of this third touch there, and when that broke out, it retested the breakout and then made a higher high. 1, 2, third higher high, came back, retouched the surface, and now we're at the next retracement zone, 38.2. We are looking for that price as an entry for a sell. So it's a good area. Just going to have to follow it and see when it gives us some signs that it might be ready to come back down. And the way that we do that, all right, so the way we do that, we're gonna put this on a hour. So we're gonna put this on a blue. Blue indicates my hourly channels, and red indicates dailies. 4 hours, even because 4 hours makes a daily. Hourly is kind of more of a 30-minute and below. And for my 15 fives, I use baby blue. So just wanted to throw that out there, let y'all know if y'all see any colors, kind of what they mean. So just right off the bat, I like to make my my lines parallel, as geometrical as I can. So right here on this touch, I see a really nice channel forming. Could come back and touch the 236, and I could draw this baby blue that it's been bouncing off of. So this is what we are looking at here, guys. Well, let's go to the 4 hours first and see just what it is showing us real quick on the Usdcad 4 hour. All right, that is looking nice. 1, 2, 3. So the daily might just close there, and that'll be a nice 4 hour doji, and then we'll have to see what the 8 p.m. does. Really expecting to come down here. It's yeah, and let's see if we see some divergence here. Oh yeah, most definitely. So for those of y'all who don't know what divergence is whenever you see the RSI doing the opposite, which in this case it's going down, and if you come up here to where that RSI was formed, it's a huge divergence. It is going up while the RSI is going down. So yeah, that is divergence. It's a really nice indication of a market about to reverse. So talking about baby blue lines, I am going to put this baby blue line here, and this is just following the trend that it has right now, and pretty much how I trade. Divergence is gonna mess around and then break. When it breaks, it's most likely gonna retouch, and then that's gonna be a huge sell, especially USDCAD. It likes to hit that that stop hunt. Yeah, stop hunt. So just you know, be careful on that one, but it's a really good trade, how I see it. We are going to now put our analysis of what we think is gonna happen. Boom, boom, boom. I like to draw in purple for the analysis, and I see it going a little bit like this. Boom. Boom. So I mean, if we go to the hourly, that would have been a little nicer to draw it on. All right, we're gonna draw it on the hourly. That way, the moves that I'm trying to draw look a little better. So, all right, we're just gonna. All right, here we go. Oh, all right. So let's see it kind of hitting something along the way of that. All right, so I had told you guys a lot of people are looking at this as a buy. Me long term, and I'm talking about monthly, you know, weeklies. Yeah, I'm looking at it as a buy. Whoever saw the other video where I showed y'all the teacup on it, you can go back to that. But yeah, I'm looking at it as a long term buy. But I see it coming here. This is our target for USDCAD before any other movement going up can even be made, in my point of view. You know, not saying that that it has to touch here before it goes up. Nah, I go with the market, you know, but I'm talking about just right now, you know, day trading and stuff. And this is what I see. So I see it going down in this channel, and potential break for me. And if it ends up jumping back up over the 236, then we'll go from there, right? If not, then I see it breaking, retouching, going down to take profit one, negative 227. And then hitting the 61.8. Boom. So we'll see what's going on from there, but that is definitely what I see. All over the place on that chart as well, if that ends up playing out. That is our analysis right now for USD CAD. If we put that in a ratio, let's see, in a short trade, we are gonna say that the action that it's at right now. All right, so at the price action that it's at right now, you're looking at it going up 20, 30 pips, let's say 20, 30 pips on the price action that is at now. And your stop loss would end up having to be underneath that last zone. Let's say right here, 40 pip stop loss would be perfect on that one. And your first TP would be this whole zone right here. Beautiful zone. So that would be your target right there. 132,700. Let's say 132,700, and that's around a 60 to 70 pip take profit. Let's say 60 to 70 pip take profit, and 40 pip stop loss. That is on a day trade. And of course, keep 20-30% running, take profit 80 to 70% on that run, and hopefully that 20-30% will be able to hold us for the long-term trade if it goes our way. And that'll end up being a 270 280 pip target for the first TP, and again 450 to 500 target for the third TP. So that is on USD CAD. I hope you like that one, guys. Comment, let me know any questions. I'm here, peoples. All right, so Euro USD, we got let's see on this one what's going on. All right, Euro USD, we had it over here. We said it was gonna come and probably mess around sideways until it touched the trend line. At that fourth touch, we said it was gonna go down and then hit a divergent move. On the 4 hours, you can't really see much of the divergent move. On the hourly, you can see a little better. It's going down, and here you see it clearly a higher high. So that is some nice divergence there that I will point out. That is what I look for when I am trying to find the place of entry. So right here, boom. So that divergent move is really good for me and how I like to trade. And then we zoom into this. All right. So we have been following this beautiful trend line, and right here it kind of faked you out, but on the 4 hour time frame you could have seen it way better because the trend is really up here, but just in the hourly for it moves a bit when you switch time frame. So that's what I'm getting to. But clearly going our way and how we are expecting it to move. So I'm I'm excited. I'm excited on this pair. Yeah, so it's it's time to see. It's time to see what is going to happen. But this is a beautiful trade. I say this is one of those that you just have to hit. So once this breaks out of here, we're expecting nice run and might just see a retouch from this zone. Might just see a retouch from this zone down back here. That will end up being, let me show you guys. All right. So, all right, here we go. So this is the first boom. 1, 2. That is the W there. And we're gonna go up here and we might end up doing this. Uh-oh. So, either way, it is playing out spectacularly good. I can't even express myself how beautiful Forex is and its sacred geometry. So hope you feel the same way, guys, if y'all are watching this. And so to finish off Euro USD, let's see what the numbers are looking like. Let's check this out. Okay, so we are here. We go to this zone. Right there. It could give us a third one. Look, this is important as well. You have to know where that third one could hit if it goes down to try to take people's money. 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch. So potential there, and I would keep it at a 50 pip stop loss. They would be close to that potential touch, but you have to remember that we don't even want it. It shouldn't even go there. If it goes to that third touch, that could be really dangerous as well, because it's breaking completely out of our zone here. And for it to be completely breaking out of that zone, it could mean that it'll retouch and start the drop, which you're always gonna have somebody going against what you're looking at, because we all see differently. There is no right way of looking at the market. It's just the way that we each view and what is it called? View and sorry, is the way that we view and we go and decipher information. The way that each one of us works to do that is different. So that's why we see different things. But either way, guys, that is a 50 pip stop loss, 50 pip TP1 on the first target. And then after that, we are letting this ride. Right for TP2. This right here would be TP2, 100 pips. And TP3, you're at 200 pips. But we are seeing it on the long scale, guys. This is what we're looking at, long term on this, guys. I'm riding it all the way back up to that zone that it was at before. So we're looking at 400, 350 to 400 pips. And if it goes all the way back up to our zone, that would be at 800 pip TP. So I know, guys. I swing. So you just have to know though that for something like that, it is, that's why I get back to you have to take profit on that 70-80 and just let the rest run. So you could re-enter the market, but you cannot get the money back. That if you're up here and you're making 500, you take those out and re-enter wherever else, if it's another good entry. But if it comes up here and you don't get out and it comes down here, that's it. You cannot get those 500 back. Like, that's it. Either way, guys, let's go to Usdjpy. Let's see what we're doing over here on the daily. All right, so on Usdjpy, I had a feeling that it was just gonna keep on breaking, just continue going. But we did say that if it did not, which we had an actual funnel here to decipher that on our last video. If you want to go check that out, we had a funnel, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, right here. So, was it there? Was it here? I think it was there. All right, so I think we had that funnel going on. We had a funnel in the last video, and pretty much it was gonna break going down from that trend line funnel, and if not, it was gonna break going up, and clearly broke going up. And then from there, we said it had to pass this zone in order to go to the second retracement zone, which was here. And as you guys can see, it broke out of the funnel, came and retouched, always has to be a retouch, and then came back up to the zone, a little bit down. And if you could see the other trend line that was making that funnel, it's right here. And then from there, there we go. Started jumping up and started trending in another zone here. Started making its own trend there. So it has broken that right now. Would be expecting this to come and retouch and break this. It's all about following the market, guys. So I know there's a lot of trends here that I'm putting out. Like I said, everybody sees it differently. This is just how I go and decipher the market. So it's gonna keep bouncing off of here. As soon as it breaks this line, I do see it going back up there, because this is not good from in my point of view for a retracement, or I mean for a continuation going down. It has to really break out of there and make like a double top or something and touch this area, Fibonacci area that we had up there, that green zone, and then break this one. So until it breaks this red line, I wouldn't sell. And then the retracement, of course, and continuation. So that is what I have on UJ at the moment. And yeah, I see it continuing the downtrend. that you do have to be careful for these retracements, because we measured it last time and I think it was over 100 pips, and that's why we ended up making this funnel to see if we could shorten that stop loss. Yeah, 100 to the first zone, and it's actually like 200 pips to the second zone. It went from our first area, it went up 160 pips, 165 pips. So that is a lot of pips if you do not know how to leverage your money. That is something that will take away all your money. So be careful, guys. Always know how much you are risking. Those 100 pips can be $1. Wait, no. 100 pips can be $10. It can be $100. It could be $30. It could be $20. It could be whatever you want it to be. So just really be careful with that. Anyways, let's go and see what's going on. Other than that, oh man, that looks nice. Yeah. So this right here, look, check this out, guys. Before we move on to USD Mexico, I'm gonna put this right here. Check this out. So one very important thing, man, the third touches are key, man. So boom, third touch. All right, that's what we're going for, guys. That is what we are looking at. All right, so then after that, we go to USD Mexico. USD Mexico, what's up, Mexico? What's up? All right, so we got, all right, so we got this over here. If we go and okay, so we're still expecting this touch. Right now we're retracing to this zone. I believe we will drop from there, but be careful. Mexico moves really volatile, and it could come up here before it does the W. But I really don't think so. I think we are going down already, and we will see something around something of this sort right here. Boom. Touch, diverge, mess around, and come up. Boom. Let me go and zoom out of here. Okay, so yeah, I'm thinking it's gonna bounce up from there. At the same time, Mexico, I do see it going down to like the 18s again right now. So it's just gonna have to be a decision that we're gonna have to make until it touches this area and shows us what it's doing on on a smaller chart, smaller time frame. So until it gets there, we won't really know if it's gonna bounce up or if it's just gonna keep breaking down. I think it will bounce up, but it already is on its third touch. So third touch is golden, guys. Boom. The fourth touches are really good too. That's what I'm going for. A fourth touch here. If that happens, we are coming up here for sure. If it retraces that like that. But if not, don't be surprised if this thing just goes boom and goes to the 1845s, 1840s, and then just goes straight to the 1800s. So if it breaks, we're looking for that retracement around this green zone, man, if it breaks. And as soon as it breaks and retouches that green zone, we're going down for a buy to the 17,500s. So we'll see what ends up happening there. Other than that, just keep following the pairs, and like on this one, I would follow it on this 30-minute line. So we're gonna put it baby blue, and whenever it breaks that, I'll just keep an eye on it to see if you know, enter a little trade in there for that trip down there, easily 200 pips. So yeah, guys, that's all I got for today. Let me know if y'all want any specific pairs, like I said, and any other way I could help you guys. Again, I am not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional trader. None of that. But I am here to help you guys out with my 3+ year experience, and you know, let's kill the markets together, guys, and look forward to the videos Tuesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. We will be catching up on what the market has been doing. So, you know, and last thing I want to let you guys know, remind you that I am putting up these videos right now, but you know, maybe not soon, but maybe sooner than you think. I will be taking them down, and the information will not be free anymore. So please take advantage of what I am doing here for the masses. You know, and I'm doing it really to help anybody out, and like real talk, you know, real talk, to help people out and wake people up from the everyday matrix illusion, that we don't have control of our lives, and let you know that we do have control of our lives, and to be financial free, financially stable. It is not a dream or an illusion. It is something that you can really bring to life, and it's something that is real. So let's go and kill it, guys. Let's retire together. Let's retire our families, and let's make history. Low key trading with JV. Take care of my peoples. I will see you next time.